Hey there, this is ChaosBlend from CDE with a new dupe for 1.12.2. Uh, I didn't want to leak this dupe previously because it uses an exploit that could have been useful for us, but it had been patched as of 1.21, so I no longer have a reason to keep it private. So to start off, I'm going to show off how this exploit works. So if you know how entities work, if you ride any entity like a llama or a boat and you just pearl off in any direction, or if the pearl collides with a llama, you get dismounted, so I'm no longer riding this llama. But there is an exception for that. So if I go through that end gateway, it doesn't actually count as teleporting with a pearl. And the server will just move me to the other side of that gateway without dismounting me. So if you know anything about llama dupes or donkey dupes, that's how most of them happen. So let me quickly show you how what's on the other side of this gateway. You don't need to break any of the bedrock. I just broke it for the convenience of the video. And you can use any gateway, only some of them will take you back to the spawn platform that you go on when you just enter the end. But it should work the exact same and not cause any issues. So if we go back to that llama, I can start showing you how to do this dupe if I don't fall. And just to mention, this is a paper 1.12.2 server with some plugins, but this also works in vanilla and you don't need any mods or modules to perform it. So I'm gonna start by writing this llama. I'm gonna log off the second account, and I am going to pearl through that end gateway. And that will make it so that the llama stays here, but I'm gonna be on riding it from the other end of that end gateway. So let's do this. If we check our coordinates, we're actually weirdly it's still showing the old coordinates, but we are actually near the end spawn islands. Uh, but now we're gonna log off and wait 10 seconds just to make sure the chunk's fully unloaded and saved. So I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna log back in with the other account that isn't riding any llama. And I forgot to show off what the llama actually has, so it's 3 shulkers of elytra. Ideally, you would use a better llama, a 6 slot, 9 slot, 12 slot, or 15 slot, or you would just use a donkey. Uh, both should work without any issues. So this llama is actually a duplicate. What happened is the llama saved in this chunk, but since the player wasn't in this chunk and it was still riding it, uh, it also saved when that player logged off. So this llama is a duplicate. We can kill it. We can take all the items from it first, and then we can kill it. And we can remove this minecart. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna log off this account, and I'm gonna wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to log in with the first account, and I'm gonna wait another 10 seconds to make sure that chunk saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it doesn't look like it, but we should still be riding that llama. So I'm gonna log off, wait another 10 seconds. I'm not sure if it's always necessary, but I don't have time to test that right now. So I'm gonna wait 10 more seconds just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna log on with the other account. And this llama is back. So we can take the items again and we can kill this llama. and remove this minecart. So I'm gonna redo this one more time just to show off that it works consistently. So I'm gonna disconnect, count 10 seconds, log in, wait 10 more seconds, log out, and I don't think I need to wait 10 seconds here. It wouldn't make sense. Okay, maybe I do. So when this happens, don't panic, just redo this cycle again. And I'm gonna log back in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna wait these 10 seconds this time. Okay, the llama isn't here, but I am still writing it. So you can just mess around with this, figure out how to make it more consistent. But you can see we duped the llama once or twice. We have the shulkers, and we still have the shulkers in here. So we went from 3 to 12. Uh, yeah, you can figure out how to make this more efficient, how to make it more consistent, and enjoy the dupe if you end up using it. Have a good day.